What I always tell the people, let me see, pigtail and a really pork, the tail hang off for the pig. I always remember that. The tail not really dip on the pigs and really pork, when I consider it pork. I watch a pigtail. Yeah, remember some people I use a swirl tail and my tail,
Nah, man.
at the thumper tail pig them, at them one I'm using in my pigtail soup. So the people when I use the swirl tail, pig them for cook the pigtail soup at the wrong pigtail I use.
Yo, people, someday this healthy eating and eating good and being healthy and in a fitness and trying to be in good shape and all things like that. Someday me can't bother. Me just can't bother. Me want fat and eat when me want to eat.
Thank you, Jesus. Sweeter than you I could.